What's up everyone, welcome back to another Vue.js tutorial, and today I will show you how we can use our Vue.js variables inside CSS or the style tag. For the demo I will use this select element to take some colors and update the color of our h1 element, and for that we are using vModel to bind our color variable to this select element. Okay, so to update the color we can create a style tag and select our h1 element using this title class right here, and we will update the color property using vbind, and inside vbind we can access our variables, Vue.js variables. They can be static or they can be reactive, and inside the single or double quotes we need to define our variable name. It looks like a string, but it actually binds our variables to this property. So let's save it, and you can see that it already changed the color. So let's try another one. It's red, now it's green. So yeah, that's how you can use the Vue.js variables inside the style tag. Yeah, so that's been it for this video. Thank you for watching, and catch you guys on the next one.